Apple. Para gana-ganahan naman kami, kuya. Apple.
Okay, para makapag-spread tayo.
Ayan, spread. Spread your wings and try. One big apart. One big apart. Okay, very good. Ang magaling ng student. Kabila naman ha. Para pantay, siyempre palagi. 8, 7, 6. Jen, bata ka pa. Ay, sasaktan ka ba pa? May kanya-kanya na mga coach. Are you ready, girls? Listen listen. Push lang tayo, push. Again. Kung sino po yung pinakamauna na makarating doon sa dulo, kay Ate Kate. Kung sino kuya, pupunta kayo kay Ate Kate ha. Kung sino po yung unang makarating kay Ate Kate, siya po yung ating winner. Alright, are you ready? Paghiwalayin na ng onte si Kambal para hindi sila magpagdahan. Okay. Guys. Okay. Take care ha. Good luck. Good luck, babies. Are you ready? Okay, thumbs up na. Let me see if you're ready. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, they are ready. Very good. So in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay.